Right, part one. I've stripped the frame down completely. You could argue I could have cut through there, but I didn't want to. I could have cut through there and slid a pipe all the way over it. No, not for me. Didn't want to do that. So I cleaned all the metal back. That, I'll show you the measurement. Right, the problem that I had with my seats was that when you buy these reproduction seats, you fit them in the car, you bolt them down, and they're like that. Not as bad as that. Maybe not like that, but whatever. That diameter in there is 26 millimeters in there. I hope you can see that, but it's 26 millimeters in there, 26, 27. So what I've done, I've bought some tube. I've cut it in half. I could have cut down there and slid the tube down, but I didn't want to do that. There's a reason behind that, but so the reason, what I've done, I've shaped each end there and there. That will go on there. That goes on there, and then I can probably weld it all the way along there. And then my measurement is 26 millimeters. That's the reason I'm doing what I'm doing, because I hate that wibbly wobbliness of the seat. So I will do this part first. I'm going to try and make this into a little video of just how to do these. Not saying that I'm an authority on it by any stretch of the imagination, but it's just what I want to do for me, knowing that then afterwards hopefully it should be okay. So once I've finished this, I will do a video, and so it'll be part one. This is part one, and there'll be part two. Hopefully it'll only be 2 videos, very simple, maybe 3 once I fit it into the car. I've now welded the tubes on, which were before like that. That's going to be for the second seat. Excuse the sniffing, I think I've got the start of hay fever, would you believe, already. Anyway, they're welded on, all flushed up, ready for paint. Right, now painted, all painted up. Just button back onto the seat frame now, and then I'll show you what it looks like. Right, all reassembled now. It's all in, all painted up, all done. And when this bracket goes in, it's about there. You can see the circumference is pretty much bang on. That's how it should have been in the first place, in my personal opinion. If you're, excuse the hay fever, it's just awful at the moment. But in my personal opinion, when you've bought these, why can't it be right in the first place? That's the bit that gets me, but whatever. That's my way round of doing it. Once I've fitted it in the car, I will show you again. All the welds done on the tubes. I'm not a welder, but I definitely have got deep penetration all the way through. That should be flush. I grind it all back. Find out in a minute, won't we? Another one done. Second one done. I'm actually quite pleased with that. Very, very pleased.